Swadika. Hello everyone, welcome to Delightful Homemade Channels. I have a special cake recipe that will make your party easier. This coconut yum yum cake is the family recipe from our beloved Aunt Mary, who was the best cook, and she had been baking over 65 years. And I have been making this cake for the parties all years round for over 10 years, and everybody loved it. Today we will make the cake in a simple rectangle cake pan, and we're ready to serve it in less than 2 hours. Let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Slightly butter the bottom of the cake pan and set aside. Put a parchment paper on baking sheets for easy to transfer. Empty a classic yellow cake mix into a sifter and sift once. Sometimes I sift twice, but once is good enough to break down the lumps. Transfer sipped cake mix into a bowl of an electric mixer. Add 4 large eggs, 1 cup whole milk, a third of a cup of vegetable oil. Sometimes I use melted butter. This works great too. Fit with the whisk attachment. Mix on low speed for 30 seconds. Then raise the speed up to high. Beat for 3 minutes. Slowly stop the mixture and use spatula to scrape down the side and the bottom of the bowl. Mix on medium speed for 2 minutes. The batter should be smooth. Then slowly reduce speed until stop. Transfer the batter into prepared cake pan. Use a toothpick to remove visible bubbles if needed. And tap the pans on the countertop a couple of times to remove some big bubbles. Bake the cake immediately in preheat ovens for 35 minutes or until a cake tester inserted into center comes out clean. Remove the cake from the oven. Poke the holes on a cake with chopstick. Pour a quarter cup warm milk around the edge and into the holes. This will keep the cakes moist. Cover with plastic wrap and let it cool completely on the rack before adding topping. Meanwhile, if your whipped topping is still frozen, let it thaw on countertop until softened before use. Once the cake is completely cooled, empty crushed pineapples in a strainer. Press down with a spoon, drain out the juice and set aside. Add 2 cups cold milk into a large measuring cup. Add instant vanilla pudding mix. Whisk the pudding and milk together until smooth and start to thicken. We don't want it too thick, it's harder to pour. Then towards putting it on the cake and spread with spatula until it covers the cake. Add crushed pineapples on top of the puddings in a single layer. Cover with whipped topping cream and sprinkle sweetened coconut flakes all over whipped cream. I use all my coconut flakes, but you can use less or more as you like. Refrigerate the cake until ready to serve. There it is. Quick and easy coconut yum yum cake that will change your party's life forever. Here are some cakes that I made with this coconut yum yum cake recipe. If you have any questions, please leave me a message below and I'm happy to help. If you enjoy watching this video, please give it a thumb up and please don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you in the next delightful homemade dishes. Thank you for watching. ขอบคุณค่ะ